Welcome back to the vlog, homies. I was just actually out today for some errands due to work, and I found an amazing deal on some roof racks for the C63. So I'm actually on the way right now. I took the Volkswagen and I'm on the way to the bank, and then quickly just go to the guy's house to go pick them up. I don't know when I'll put this video up. When you guys see this video, it'll be a combination of me picking these up, and then I'm gonna get the ski box on there. I've always wanted to do a ski box on the C63, and this is gonna allow it, so I'm excited. I'm jolly. And the original ski boxes from Mercedes were around 450 Canadian, and I managed to find this guy online. He was selling them for a C-class sedan for 200 Canadian, and I brought him down to 150. So let's go get these ski rails, or you can say roof rails, and then the ski box. I have another plan for that. All right, getting money for this guy and then going and grabbing it. All right.
I got a trickle charger and also a Mercedes Benz. I don't know if I have them, if you're ever interested.
Okay.
Bike, I don't know if you're into bike or anything like that.
Okay.
Or Mercedes.
Okay, you mean those, right?
Yeah,
right there?
yeah,
okay,
yeah.
cool. And this is a trickle charger, for the Mercedes.
Yeah,
okay.
that's brand new.
Okay.
Like we just sold an AMG, so.
Okay, got the rails, and time to head home. And then we'll install them when it's not 50 degrees. Minus 50 outside. But the guy was really cool. I didn't want to point the camera at him. But car guy, he said he had an AMG C63 sedan, which he sold for the Tesla. So I just got it off of him. Welcome back to the second part of the video. Anyways, so I pulled the car back in, but we were going through a minus 25 wind chill weather warning. So I put the M4 outside and I brought the C63 in just because I didn't want to freeze while putting the rails on. So I'm gonna get wifey to help me put the rails on, and I'm going to just show you guys the basic steps of how to put them on. It's not anything crazy, but basically the car has 4 tabs on each corner, and what happens is, I take my glove off. Again, guys, it's the middle of winter, so it's just really hard to do this outside. So what happens is you pull these tabs up, and they close and they open, okay? So once they're open, there's a screw and 2 tabs, and basically the rails, they go inside here. So I'm gonna open all these up because these are needed to put the actual rails on. And these rails, once they're on, I'll show you guys the step of putting them on. As I said, I'm gonna get wifey to record. But the overall plan for the rails is to be on, and then after put the roof box on, which I have to do with a friend. So dropping the car off for service. So I thought I'd get my mechanic's reaction of the car with the rails on. Maybe when I pick it up, I don't know if I'll get the reaction when I drop it off, but it did kind of start misfiring when it was minus 25, and the A4 service came up. So the A4 service for a Mercedes Benz is I believe it's oil change, spark plugs, differential oil, transmission oil, and air filters. So that's gonna happen when the car's dropped off, but till then I'll get this done. So yeah, R8's right here, M4, sorry, BMW's here. I don't know why I called it the M4. Also, just on a side note, with the mini fridge, this is how much space I have left in the front bumper. I mean the rear bumper. Man, this cold's really getting to me. So yeah, all the tabs are open, and as I said, I'm gonna just get the help of thing. But this is how much space I have with my front bumper, leaving with the extension cord, which I usually carry around. This is my mini fridge, which I stock up with water and whatnot in the summer, so very important. My GoPro stuff. And the R8, again, I'll make a video for you guys on what's the process with that right now. Just waiting on 1 or 2 more parts for that. And yeah, guys, that's the situation with that. All right, so these are OEM Mercedes rails, and how you tell where they go is they have markings on them on which side goes where. So this side, you can tell, it shows the driver's side front. So this is the front rail with the driver's side being on this side. And so it has a marking around all four of them, and it'll just to make sure you know where the hell you're putting them. This is the number, the Mercedes number for the rails, and these are the little clips that go in, as I said, I was trying to tell you guys, and then the main screw over there. So this number here, A205 8900093, is the roof rail number for the roof rails or the roof bars for the C-Class. So what I figured out with my research was from 2016 to 2020, basically the W205 Sedan, they all share the same roof rails. If it's a C300, C63, C43, all the sedans basically share the same roof rails as long as you have the tabs in the front. So the coupes and the sedans, again, same numbers. As I said, they all have the same numbers with the same slots. So if anyone's looking for roof rails, that's where it might be easy for you, because with the research I found that there's another company called Tool. I don't know how to pronounce it properly, but they also make them. They're called like wind guards or wind rails, but again, they're like $900, and I just go through for 150. So you know, always better than spending $900. So you just take that, and then it fits right into this groove area, as I said, and then that groove area has the little, you can see a screw hole, pinhole that Mercedes makes, and then you just align it with that hole right there, and basically you need to tighten into the hole. And this mechanism here is to help you tighten at the end, and then it also prevents the screw from coming loose. All right, so what I'm doing is tightening it up. I'm gonna go tighten the other side up, and after I go tighten the other side up, I'll come back to this side and do it evenly, just because I don't want to tighten one side up more than the other. It's not too hard. I mean, one person can do this, but the thing is, I think it would make more sense for two people probably do this, because the alignment can take a little while. So that's the one tip I can give you guys. This is spring loaded. On that side, the spring was missing, the guy told me though. So basically this goes down, and then you can do it, tighten with your hand, and then it comes up, and then you can also rotate and bring it to the screw and tighten the screw more up to the point where it goes. And that's all it really goes up to, and it doesn't move from here. Just make sure it's super tight, and then you put the spring down, and you lock this plastic piece back in. If you're putting an insert in somewhere, the inserts would go in here, like through here. There's supposed to be a rubber, but I took that off because I didn't want it. And then this covers up the actual cover at the bottom, so which is a water seal cover, and you can lock the mechanism with this right here. So it's locked. There you go. So I'm gonna go to the other side, lock it with the key as well. There's two keys that he gave me, and I'll show you guys the end progress. There you go. Nothing really touches the car's paint, so I was scared that the actual paint was gonna be touching with the actual roof bars, but because it's OEM Mercedes, it really doesn't touch, so it's good. And I don't think the sunroof is accessible, so you can't really use the sunroof or put it up. But again, in the winter time, who's really gonna use the sunroof, right? So I'm gonna put the back one on, and then I'll get back to you guys. All right, same thing. This is the back portion. It says this portion goes on the driver's side. So same, repeat the steps, spring loaded, right here, put them in, put the tabs in, close up. I mean, everybody, it's kind of simple stuff. It's nothing crazy, but the next part's gonna be crazy because my friend's coming with the roof box, and I can't wait to see this car with a roof box on there. And then we really want to take it out in the snow, and then with the roof box do some crazy shit. So that's the whole plan. All right, man, I thought I'd clean these because they needed a little bit of TLC on the cleaning side of things. Oops. Alright guys, so gonna put the roof box on, but I had a little bit of a difficulty with the car. It popped a check engine light and it started kind of like misfiring, and we had like a minus 25 day yesterday. It is due for an A4 service, which includes spark plugs, so I'm dropping it off to the mechanic right now. It's like shaking while I drive, like literally shaking, so I think it's just misfiring because the spark plugs are getting old and need to be replaced. So I'm gonna get that done, then I'll put the roof box on. So it's a little bit of a hiccup, might be a couple of days between the videos, but I just want to give you an update on what's going on, because the spark plugs are causing an issue now. So when you start driving, it'll flash. It means the check engine light will flash. It means that you have a misfire. So I don't want to drive the car long distances to my friend's house to get the roof box put on. But otherwise, the rails have been on, and I've driven the car about 20 kilometers, no issues, just a little bit of wind noise, but that's kind of a given. All right, guys, we got Maple Biker, we got her Jodes, 905 Hellcat, and we got myself. We're here to grab some gear at GP Bikes, and I thought I'd make a little video for you guys. Gear, yeah, no, it's gear. Oh, that looks like good gear right here.
No, this is the good one.
This is a good gear right here, yeah.
It's the 800.
That's the 800, right? Okay. Well, we're here to get pants.
This is the 800.
So this is the Super Sport version of that bike, right?
No, off the Super Veloce.
Oh, off the Super Veloce.
You'll see the Super Veloce.
Okay. We are here for gear, but we might walk away with a bike. Who knows? These are nice Indians, yeah. God damn. Look at this bike, yeah. Alright, so this is the older Ducatis. Guys, we're supposed to be shopping for gear, man. Why are you guys at the Ducati section? What's going on? Oh, more Ducatis on this side. That's a nice Ducati. Wow. Okay, so this is the new Ducati.
Imagine this bike in that V2 color scheme.
That's true, that's true. V4S. And then you got, this is the older V4S. I don't know what looks better, guys. I prefer the older shape because the front is still down. But I guess the new one will grow on people. Maybe if they bring the front down a bit. Oh, that's a nice Boulevard. Got the Hayabusa. It's pretty cool. Not a lot of bikes, but anyways, we're here to get some gear for this guy right here. Maybe some gear for him too, if they like gear or not. Oh, just throw it upstairs. It's fine. Yeah. It's supposed to be the rain gear, yo. that we never. Huh? Or I thought it did. Structure basically, but they don't use it. So this is the new GS.
No, that's actually the new.
That's the little one.
Yeah, it's a red S1.
So it's a XR1000. That's a GS 1300. That's the new GSA.
Nice. They did a really good job with these bikes, yo.
Yeah.
Very nice. MV Agusta with the Super Veloce bikes has, my god, they have done such a nice job. Look at how beautiful these bikes are. Look at the overall finish of these bikes. This one's sold. There's another one in cherry red. Like that old school look, you know? God damn. Look at what I just found. A small limited edition BMW M AGVP RR. Haven't seen these in person actually. Very rare. Very nice BMW jackets. Some nice bikes here.
So, looks like a new bike is coming here.
This is so slim and sleek. No, I can't afford it, bro.
Really?
Hey, I need to buy pants. This This is actually really nice for me. My God. God damn. This bike is gonna be so flippable to toss around. Huh?
It's like a V2.
Yeah. But no, this is. I like the positioning of the bar handles better than the V2. They're a little bit more comfortable. Very nice. This is beautiful, and I love the leather straps on the top. Very nice bike. Absolutely killed it with the design, I think.
So there a chance is that
No, I gotta get pants. I gotta get pants.